We all know that if we fold a metal sheet repeatedly, there is a time when tiny cracks appear and finally it breaks. This phenomenon is called metal fatigue. At great heights, air pressure is very low, and both the crew and passengers of airplanes would have a hard time breathing and they would finally die. It is necessary to pressurize the inside of the passenger area of an airplane so they can breathe and live. This pressure makes the plane grow just like a balloon. When the plane comes back to the ground, it is necessary to reduce the pressure again, and the plane becomes smaller again. Every time a plane takes off and flies, it gets bigger. When it comes back to the ground, it gets smaller. This bends the metal of the fuselage and it becomes tired. After many flights, the tiny cracks are so many that suddenly the plane comes apart at some point. The maintenance procedures are intended to prevent this terrible possibility. Nevertheless, human errors allow small cracks to accumulate, and eventually, when everything seems perfect, disaster occurs. The only thing to be done is to periodically replace all metal parts at risk. However, there is the possibility of an improper repair, carelessness, negligence, and defective replacement parts. The amazing thing is that the airplane is still the safest means of transportation.